Auction zone, one to give here, but to get 500, 3, 4, 5, hit 400, $500, 600, $700. I get $6 and $700 on the but to get 6 half, 650. I get 600 bid 50 now $700 on the but to get 700, $650 now 700 but no $700 on the but to get $700 now 7 about I have sold for $650. You bought him, sir, on the floor. Going to get the buyer number 485 is going to be the buyer. 485 is the buyer. Okay, we're on to lot number 1325 now. The Ironcraft 3-point greater blade at you now. Let's go. I'm about to get up here. $300. I'm about to get $332. $200. I'm about to get $200 down. $200 down. $200. About to get $100. Hello, Drake. $100 bill. I'm about to get a bone to buy. $100 bill on that little 3-point blade. $100 bill. I'm about to get a $100 bone. About to get a bone. About to get $50, $75. $50.75 and $100 bill. Down quarter and a quarter now. I have half here. Down 75 to buy now. Two to buy quarter. 2 and a quarter at 2 and a quarter now. I have. I got a quarter now. I have here. I'm at a quarter now. I have. Connor's bidders in. 2 and a quarter. I have. 225 50 to buy him now. I have here. 2 and a quarter. He just a waving. I 2 and a quarter. He just a waving. Then I got 200. That's okay. I'm over here with Levi. 200 and a quarter to buy him, and I have sold $200. Your way, Levi, and that's going to go to the better number. You got him after all. It was just a wave on the other side. 5, 6, and 5. 5, 6, and 5. Thank you, Levi Weisman. Good to have you here today with me, buddy. Now I got number 1016 coming up on my little 3-point hog 7-footer rotary mower. Number 16 is going to be the number on the hog. I don't want to get up here, but I'm getting a 5, 600, 7, 8, 9. I got $800, $900 down, $1,000 on him now. $1,100, been $1,100 down, 10, 10, 11 to bun, 12. Now $1,300, $1,200, been $1,300 on him, 13 to bun, to get $1,400 on him online. At 13, 14. You're out over there, Dan. At 13, 14, 15. Levi's back in, 14, $1,500 on the bun, to get $1,500. Levi's got the bid, 14, $1,500 on him now. Have now $1,500 on the bun, to get $1,500. Levi, 1450, but $1,500 on the bun, to get a Dan, you had a half over here now, $1,500 on the bun, to get sold, 1450. Your way, Dan O. 527. 527. Thank you, Dan Mahaney. Appreciate you. Number 5, 2, and 7. 1238 coming up now. My little first choice 3-point finish mower is going to be next there, Neil. Neil Hall, our good friend and one of our crew members here and buyers out there with us today, holding up the flag. Number 1238 up here to go. I'm about to get a ball 3. 300, 400. At 3, 3, forward. I'm about to get $300 now. 300. About to get $300. I'm about to get $300 on my finish mower. Now half. 350 down 4. 4.5 here. 450 down 500. Been to 550. About to get $500 now half. 550. About to get 5. 5.5. About to get 6. And $600 here. $600 on him and a half. 650 internet sales. 600 been to 50. About to get $600 I have here, but if I get a half here, but if I get sold 600. Wait, Jeremy, go to buyer number 999. That's an easy one to remember. 999. What's the matter, Dano? I'm sorry, sir. I had 600 with Jeremy. You had to be 7. 6, I have 7, Jeremy. I'm sorry about that, little buddy. 6, I have here, so I'll get you something else. Sold $650. Your way, Dano. 684. We'll try to keep those collisions to a minimum. 6, 8, and 4. Now we're going to go to number 1326 up on my Hiniker Big Ox. And come on, greater blade. That big old greater blade back here to back. $200, $300. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Get $300. I'll get 2, 2, 3. Get $200. And 3, 4. I get 3, 3, 4. Get 3 bid 4, 4. Get 3.5 here. Get $350. 300, 3.5. Hand up. Get $350 on the down 4. I get 3.5. I wonder where you're at. 3.5. Get 400. Hit 354. 4. Get $400 now. I have 450. 450 to buy the big greater blade. 4.5. Get $450 on the get 400. If we all together now, I got 4 4.5 here. But to buy sold $400. Your way, Jeremy. 577 is going to be the buyer. 5, 7, and 7 is going to get a bought. Let's go to 1173 coming up now, and I've got a Ferguson 240 tractor.
Thank you, sir.
1173 is going to be this little guy coming up here next. Pretty good little tractor, my friends. This little 240. Okay, a little Ferguson tractor, a little 240 coming up here next. And get a little unit, my friends. Let's go. I'm about to get up here, but I'm about to get 10 pounds and $5,000. I'm about to get up high. How about 3,000 to kick it off? I 3 to about $2,500. Hit $2,000. I'm about to get $2,000. I'm about to get $2,000. About $2,500. I got Mikey at $2,000. $2,500. 25 3. I'm about to get 3. Now 5. $3,500. I'm about to get 3,500. 4. 35 and 4. I'm about to get 4. I'm about to get $3,500. $4,000. I'm about to get 4. 35 here. 7.5. I'm about to get 37.50. 3,500. 7.50. Now 4. I'm about to get 4. I'm about to get $4,000. Now 4. I'm about to get 2.5. 42.50. I'm $4,000. Now 2.50. I'm about to get 42.5. I'm about to get $4,000. $4,250. At $4,000. 2.50. I'm about to get 2.5. I'm in North Vernon. $4,000. $250. Now 5. 45. 45. 45. I'm about to get $4,500. Thank you, sir. 42. I'm about to get 5. At 45 here. 5. I'm about to get 4,500. Pennsylvania's in the lead at $4,250. $4,500. At 45. I'm about to get 7.50. I'm about to get 5. 7. I'm about to get 47.50. $4,500. 4,750. $4,750. $4,750. 5. 7. I have $4,500. $4,750. I'm about to get I have so 4,500. 177989. If you'll put that on the ticket, please. 177989 will be the buyer. 1074 coming up. 16 New Holland Boomer next. Got a 60-inch deck on it. 381 hours on this little guy. Pretty good little tractor. Come out of an estate, a real nice old tractor. 1074, got a bit of number on him. And I got $3,500 online, $4,000, $4,500, and $5,000. At $5,000, $5,500. Hit 55. I'm about to get $6,000 now. I'm about to get 55 with you, Dan. 55 here, $6,000. 55, 7 I have. I'm about to get 55, 57, 58. I'm about to get $5,500, $5,750, and 55. Keep in mind, it's a mower too. It's a tractor and a mower. 55, $750. Now 6 and 6 and $6,000. 8, 9. At 59, I'm about to get $5,900 down. Now 9, now $6,000 now. Bone, 60 bone, I'm about to get $100 now. Bone, 60 bone, $100 on. I'm about to get down. Bone about 2. I'm about to get 2. You get 2 down. Bone 2, 3. 60, 3, 3, 4. At 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. $6,500 down. 5, 6. 6,600. 7, 7. I'm about to get 67. 8, 8, 8, 8, 9. $6,900 now. 7, $7,000. $7,100 down. 2, down 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 to 5. $7,400 to 4, 5. I'm about to get 5. I'm about to get 5. I'm about to get $500 to 5. I'm about to $500. 74, 5 here, 5. Everybody in all together now. 4, 5. I'm about to get so 7,400. 527. The top 5, 2 and 7. Moving in at number 1206, I have a set of forks. Okay, lot number 1206 here on the forks. 48 inchers. I'm about to get $1,000. 102. 2. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. About to 5, 5, down 5. About to $500. 4, 5, and 6. 8, 5, 6, 7, 7. I got Mikey in. $600. 7. You're in, Mike. 6, 7. 600. 6 and a half. I had about the video over there, Jim. $650. I'm about to get a pad. About to get a half. My bidder's in. $650 about sold. $600. 309. $600. 309. Thank you, Michael.
Hell no.
Okay, go to 1068 now. Little Frontier finish mower up next. That is not a finish mower. Is that the bush hog back there? Okay. We got it down as a finish. It is a 1068 here in the Frontier mower. And go. I'm about to get up here. I'm about to get $1,000. $500. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7. I'm about to get $700. $800. $800. $800. I'm about to get $900. $1,000. I'm about to get 11. Now I'm about to get 12. I'm about to get 13. I'm about to get 14. I'm about to get 15. 15. I'm about to get 14. $1,500. I'm about to get 6. Now 15. Now 15. I got Levi. 14 and a half. 15 down. Oh, now half. 1550 Levi. Now 1600 down. 16 now half. 1650 Jerry. Now $1,700. I'm about to get half. $1,750. $1,700 half. I'm about to get half here. I'm about to get $1,750 on the bin, Jeremy. Set Jeremy's in. $1,700 half. I'm about to get half to buy. So $1,750 your way, Garber. 570. 570 will be the buyer. All right, I got number 1058 coming up next here, and I got a Bale spear up next. A little Bale spear coming up here, and go. I'm about to get $300. I'm about to get 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. $200 on that 3. I'm about to get 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 down 3, 3, where 3. I'm about to get $200, $300 down 3. I'm about to get 2.5. $250 on the Bale spear. $250 on. I'm about to get sold. $200. 309. 1357. I got a 60-inch bushel finish mower coming up next, and that is a finish. It's going to be lot number 1357 on your sheet there and go. I'm about to get $500. Right, 2, 3. I'm about to get 2, 2, 2, 2. I'm about to get $200. At 3, $200. 3. I'm about to get 3. I'm about to get 3. Now 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. About now I have $350. Countdown 4. I'm about to get 4, 4. About jumping to $400. Now I have. I'm about to get $450. $400. Now I have. I'm about to get sold $400. That's going to go to 999. 999 is going to be the buyer on it. Lot number 1320 coming up on the Howse 4-foot. Little Rototiller, perfect garden season time. Lot number 1320 is going to be the number on him. I'm about to get up here, $500. Hit 5. I'm about to get 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, $100, $400, $500, and 6. I got 5, 6, 7, 700, $700 to $800, $800, $700, 8, 9. Now 99, $1,000, $1,000 to buy. Dan, I want to get you in. I got 900, $1,000, $1,100 down, 10, 10, 11 to buy, $1100, $1,000 bid, $1100, 10, 10, 11 to buy, so $1,000 you really buy.
5, 7, 3.
5, 7, and 3. 5, 7, and 3 will be the buyer on it. Moving in lot number 1096 now. My Kubota B7510 loader tractor. Looking at you here. Oh, look at this guy. Only got 990 hours on him. She's absolute go. I get full drive. Not number 1096. Why, but what do you got? 4,000, 4,500, $5,000 now, $5,500 now, $6,000 now, $6,500 now, 65 now, $7,000, 65, 7, I have 7, $7,000, 67, 7, 70, 12, I'm about to get $7,500, 75, 77, I have, $8,000 to $8, I'm about to get $8,000, 7, I'm about to get $8, 80, 12, I have, 85, 85, 85, 85, 85, 85, 80, 12, 5, 7, I have, 87, 50, 87, I have, full packer, 87, 50, I'm about to get 9, 9, I'm about to get 9, Levi, 87, I'm about to get 9, I'm about to get 9, Jason's in, 87, I'm about to get 9, I'm about to get 9, I'm about to get 9, about sold, 87, 50, away, whole packer.
Thank you. 709.
709, good to have you, old buddy. 709. That's weird. That's like 309's your dad's. 709. Okay, what there we go. We knew it was coming. You two knew it was coming, didn't you? Yeah. Here we go. Let's go to the next lot. Let's go to the next lot. 1215 coming up. Hey, International 1486 tractor now, showing only 3,164 hours. Was a pretty solid old unit right up here. She's all weighted up. Good unit right here. Carol Ferris brought this unit in right up here today. Ferris Farms brought it in. What a slick tractor here. Absolute no reserve and a nice unit here. And what have we got? I got 8,500 on the line. Then about to get 9,000, 9,500, $10,000. Now $10,500. I got 10, 10, 5. My bidder's in. I got Mike in. 10, 10, 5. Got it now 11. Now $11,000. Now 5. 11 and 5. 5. I'm about to get 11 and 5. I'm about to get 5. Internet's out. 11 and 5. I'm about to get 12. At 12, 12. Now 5. 12, 5 here. Now $13,000. I'm about to get 13. I'm about to get 13 grand. Hit 12, 5. 13, 7 I have. $13,000. Now 5. 13, 5. 14. Hit 14 grand today. I got 13, 5 here. $14,000. Now 5. I'm about to get a new joiner in. 14, 5. My man's in at 14,005. $15,000. Boss going to get you in. $15,000. Now 5, 5, 5. 15, 5 here. Mikey now 16. Now, sir, you want to give 16,000? Now 5. 16, 5 here. 5. I'm about to get 2.5. Michael. That's 16, 250. Got it. Now 5. I'm about to I can use one of you guys over here. 16, 5. 250 to 500. Jeremy straight ahead of you. Let's head down to 5. He's a mid to 5. 16, 5. Sir, your turn, sir. Now 5. 5, 5 here. 5. I'm about to get 5. Now 750. 16, 750. Now 7 I have. Now $17,000. $17,000. 16, 7 I have. I'm about to get $17,000 out of it. I have. Sold 16, 750. Number 309. 16, 750. Number 309. Or 622. We're changing that. 622. Gotcha. He's got him an order buyer. 622 is going to be the number on that one. All right, let's go on into number 1216 then. 1216 is going to be the next one here. I've got some 38-inch rear duals off of International 1486. You like to put those duals on there, you can buy them, man. Somebody got $500. I don't get $600. I don't get $600 on the set of duals. I got 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, but I get $900, $800, $900 on the but I get 9 to buy. I get you an 800, Cheryl. Now $900, $800 on the duals down the back. 800 now 900 now $1,000. Now $1,000 to buy. $1,000 to buy. 9 bit bond to buy. Internet bidders are out. $900 now $1,000. Out but they know 900 now $1,000. A 9 bit bond to buy. To get $1,000 on the but to get 1,000 to buy. Sold $900. You got it. Dan's way. Dan Mahaney's way. You got to go to buyer number 706. 706. Dan, where is your official residence? Are you in Indiana? Are you in Illinois? Or are you in Florida? Florida. That's what I thought. Couldn't figure it out. Number 1017 coming up next. Looks like number 1017 on my Land Pride 7-foot 3-point rotary mower is going to be next. Here it comes up front here. There's a good heavy duty mower. You'll like that. This is the right time of year for it for sure. And I got $1,400, $1,600, $1,800. I don't to get $1,800, $1,618. I don't to get $1,800, but to get $1,800. I don't to get hey, good Land Pride now. $1,700, $1,617. I don't to get $1,700, but not $1,800. I don't to get $1,800 here. $1,718, $1,819, $1,900 on him and a $1,900 now tell it $2,000 down. Oh, $1,902, but if I get $2,000, but if I get $2,200, but if I get $2,200, but if I get I have sold her $1,900 back in the back of the buyer number
635.
635. Thanks, Dan. 6, 3, and 5 along that one. 1372 coming up on the Tar River. 72-inch Rototiller right up here. I don't know if I get up here. It's got reverse till as well. Gear drive, 3-point here, 1372, gonna do the number on it. 72-incher. I don't know if I get up here, but if I get up, I don't know if I get up anything in here. $3,000, $2,000, $2,000. How about $1,000? Now 12 and a half, 10, 12 and a half. Here, $1,250, $1,000, $1,250. 10, 10, 12 and a half. If I get $1,000, $1,250. 1,000, 12, 50, now 15. I don't know if I get 15, 17 and a half. If I get $1,500, 12 and a half, 13. I don't know if I get 13. If I get 14, if I get 1,400. Whole backers in 13, 14. I don't know if I get 13, bid $1,400. I don't know if I get $1,400. 13, 14. A good teller. 13. I don't know if I get 14, $1,500. 15, Jason. 9, 14, 15. Now $1,600. $1,600. Bird turn down. $1,600. $1,700 bid. $1,700 down. 17 to bundle. 16, 17. $1,800. 17, 18, 18. I don't know if I get $1,800. I don't know if I get sold. $1,700.
309.
309 on that one. 309 on that one. Now we got number 1377 coming up. My John Deere MX7 rotary cutter is next. Good mower here. I don't know if I get 1,000 to go. I don't know if I get 1,000. I don't know if I get $500, $600. Hit 5, 6, 7, and $800. $800. $800. Now $700. $800. $900. Hit 9. Now $1,000. I don't know if I get 1,000. Then $1,000. 11. 11. 12. 12. I don't know if I get 12. 12. I don't know if I get $1,300. 13 bid. I got 12. 12. $1,300. I don't know if I get 13. Then 13. I don't know if I get $1,300. I don't know if I get 12. I don't know if I get 14. 13. 14. I'm clear up front by the truck at $1,300. You're all right out there. $1,400. 13, 14 every. Now 1,500. I got 14, 1,500. But if I get $1,500. 14, 15. Right down here he's out at 1,500. But if I get down, you got to hit him at 14. You got to be 15 right over here, sir. $1,500. I'm a dance man. 1,400. But if I get $1,500 on him, but if I get $1,500, but $1,500 on him, and I have sold $1,400 your way down. Oh, gonna get a buyer 662. Thank you. Number 66 and 2 is gonna get a bought. Moving up to number 1371 on my John Deere 71 3-point planner. Is that what's next? Oh, I see it now. I see. It's line number 1371, a little 3-point planner ready for one row outfit right up there in the tail. I don't know if I get here, but I'm going to get $500. Hit 5. I don't know if I get 5. I don't know if I get 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 500, $600, $700, $800, $900, now $1,000, $1,100, $1,200, now $1,300, down $1,300. I don't know if I get 1,300. 12 here, 1,300 and a half. Now $1,300, now 13. Come on, Doc. 12 and a half. I'm going to get now half. 1,350. Now $1,400, Doc. I had $1,400 on him and a half. I had a bunch of get $1,500, Doc. $1,500, but if I get 14 and a half, but if I get $1,500 on the but if I get $1,500 now, I have 15 from day. I don't know if I get 16, Doc. I had $1,600. That's $1,600. Come on, sweet corn ain't bad for you. 15 and a half, but if I get $1,600, I don't know if I get 1,600. 15 and a half, but if I get 16 days in, $1,600 on them, and I have sold $1,550 your way. Number 527. Gotcha. 527. 527. Thank you, Todd. Thank you, Doc. Appreciate both of you. Now we're going to go around the next slide. It is going to be line number 1321. I got the Woods box grader coming up next. Right up here at front, the little 4-footer right there. Let's go. I'm about to get $500, $200, $300. Hit 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, $500 now, $600. I'm about to get 5, 5 and a half. $550 at 5, 5 and a half here. But about to get down 6. And I'm about to get $600 down, $600. But about to get $600. Hit 556. And I'm about to get $600 on Brianna's in. She's online at 550, 600. Now 7 and a half, 600. But about to get $600, 575, 600. You got to be $600 at 6 here. But about to get $600 on the but about to get one. 600. I got 575. 600. Now quarter. 6 and a quarter. Where are you at? 6 and a quarter. About you wake up today. 6 and a quarter. Now quarter. About to get down quarter. About to get down quarter. About 600 and quarter. 620. I'm online now. 600. I'm with Brian at 600 and a quarter. Now quarter. About to get down quarter. About to get down quarter. Now I have sold $600 your way. Go to get a buyer number. 86. 86 going to be the number. Let's go to number 1146 then, and this time I got an Oliver 77 row crop. Oliver 77 row crop coming up next. Here we go. Come on, up here. Pretty good looking old tractor. And I got $1,000, 12 and a half, $1,000, $1,250, $1,500, $1,750. Out of $1,750. Out of $1,500, $1,750. 15, 16, 17, 17, $1,700, $1,800, $1,800. Out of $1,900, 18, 19, 2, 2, 2, $1,100, 2, $3, $4, 23, divide 22, 3, 3. Levi's in. Levi, you get a $2,200, Donnie, $300, get 2, 3, get 3, 3, 4, 23, 24, they get down 3, 4, 4 to buy your outlay by $2,300, $400, $300, $400, $300, $400, not 4 to buy 23, 4, so 2,300. Mr. Hickerson, thank you. 574, 574 is going to be the buyer. 574.
Add it to the collection.
Thank you, Tim, and I'm going to go to the line number 1094 coming up next. There's a slick looking tracker, huh? What do y'all think? 1968 Ford 2000. This come out of the Bob Curtis estate, lot number 1094. Bob was recently passed away. He had been a long-time customer of ours and had quite a good little tractor collection. This come out of his estate, Bob Curtis estate, lot number 1094 up here. And let's go. I got 1,000 on line, $1,500, $1,750. I got 1,750. All get in, $1,750, $2,000, $2,250. I got 2,500, $2,750. Now $3,000, now $3,250, $3,500, $3,750. $4,000, now $4,250. Out of $4,500, now $4,750. Hit 45, you get down 45, 5 now 45, now 7 I am now 45, 5 I'm up top now $750, 45, 47, 58, 45. Got Brianna 45 now 7 I. Everybody on the ground is out and everybody else on the line is out. I got 45, 47, 58, $4,500, 47, 58, I got 500, been to 4,750. Last call 750 to buy. I have sold 4,500 your way, Brianna. One more time. 5, 3, and 1 is going to be the buyer on that one. 5, 3, and 1. 5, 3, and 1. 1364 coming up. I got a 1967 for 3,000 now. This also out of the Bob Curtis estate. Here it is. And $1,000, $5 grand. $2,500, $3. $3,000. $2,500, $3 grand. $3 down 535 down 4 down $4,500 down $4,500, $4,500 $445. How about $4,250? Now keep out a ball and rolling. $4,250, $4,500, $4,750. $45. $45. $45, $42, $5. I got Jeremy in at $4,250, $4,500, $45 to get you at 43. I'll break you up 4,300. You bid at the same time. I got $4,250 with Jeremy, $4,300. I get $2,500, $42,500, $42,500, get Jeremy down 3. Sold $4,250. You wait, Jeremy. Go to get a buyer number. Internet, you did not get in time. One more time, Jeremy. 596. Thank you very much. 5, 9, and 6. Equipment facts are coming just a little bit late, buddy. Now we got number 1119 coming up. 410, 467. 2 bottom plow up now to get out of the Bob Curtis estate. Here we go. I think it's going to be the plow back in the back there, I believe. On your lot number, you'll be reading 1119. Ah, there you go. I bet $102, $3, $200, $300, $300, $300, 2, 3 on the plow. I get $200, $250 down 3, took it out of you, Cheryl. $200, 3 now I have $350, now 4, now I have $450 down, $4, 4, 9, $4 and a quarter. I'll break you 2 up. I got $400 and a quarter. Now I got a quarter I have here right behind him there, Dan. Now 75, 475, Todd, 475, $475. My bidder's in 75. He's in 450, 75, $475 I have sold 450. You're way down on 573. Yep. Thanks, Anthony. Now let's go to number 1365 coming up here now. It's going to be my John Deere 6-foot rotary tiller. Okay, the guy's got it back in the back of the 6-foot tiller. Let's go. 1,500, 16, $1,700. 17, 18. I'd 17, $1,800 on the Deere. I'd 17, 1,800 on the tiller. 1,700, $1,800. 17 bid, $1,800 on the $1,800, $1,800, $1,700, $1,800 on the $1,750. 17 bid, 15, $1,700 now a half. Internet sends $1,750 on the $1,500 here. $1,750 on the $1,550 about a half. So 1,700. 4226 is going to be the buyer online. Now we're going to number 1001 coming up on the Bobcat CT 2040 loader. This is new, comes with manufacturer's warranty. It's got an FL8 loader on it. Runs and operates, of course, like it should. It is new. 1001 is going to be the number on it. It's got 1.2 hours on it.
Right now. Oh.
So 1001's got the number on this tractor right up here. Like I said, it's brand new. Still has manufacturer's warranty on it. Brought to you from the dealership from Tri-County today. 1001's going to be the number on him. It's one of our members in Tri-County here today. One of our representatives. Yeah, he's here. He's here back in the back. Guys want to talk to him real quick, Gary. If you got anything you want to share with us, let us know. On any of your equipment, for any of the sellers that are out here today, please let us know. All right.
The sunglasses.
Yep, right over there. He'll talk to you now. Let's go. Lot number 1001 coming up on the Bobcat. Let's go. Come on, somebody to get paid. But to get 30. 30,000. To get 11. To get 11. 12,000. 13,000. 14. 15,000. 16,000. $17,000. At $18,000. $19,000. 18. 19. 19. 20. 19 and 20. 21. To get 20. 21. To get 20. 21. To get $21,000. And 20. 21 to buy. This is where we should have kicked it off. Half. Now one. Hit 20 and 5 and 1. Now 5. 21 5 5. Jeremy, thank you, sir. 21 5. Hit 21 21 5 5. To get $21,500. Now 5. To get 21 bid 5. 21 5. I get $21,500 on the to get 5 here. To get 5. 21 21 5. Here's an opportunity to save thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Buy a brand new tractor. It's got 1 hour, 1.2 hours on it. Little 4-wheel drive loader tractor right up here, ready to go under full factory warranty. No apologies, no concerns whatsoever. Buy a good little tractor right there. I got 21 bid on him, 21 and 5, and again, 5. Now 2, Levi's in, 22, 21, 5, and 2. Internet, you are out. $21,500, $22,000, now 2, to get 22 grand, to get 21, 5, 5, tail, 21, 5, and 2, to get 2, to get 22 grand, to get 1, 5, and to get $22,000, now I have 21, 5, to get 2, to buy Steve, Michael, thank you both there. We need to be right at 25 grand on that tractor. We got a reserve on that one, 25,000. We'll buy it. Let us know if you want it, and we will sell it to you. 1056 coming up. If you don't get one of your other tractors bought today that you want it, come over here and see us on this, and we'll put you that brand new one with a factory warranty. Let's go right into number 1056. I got a Massey Ferguson 492 tractor coming up here with 4,098 hours on it. Runs and operates like it should. We had a clutch cable. We went to move this the other day. The clutch cable on it snapped. We put a brand new one on. Okay? I know somebody was out here and we were putting it in lower gear and didn't want to move it first. It was because the clutch cable was stretched all the way out. It snapped. We got it working. All the gears work on it. Get a little tractor right there, friends. Let's go. I don't know if I get here. They drove it in here, but on. Come on. If I get up here, if I get by. How about, I don't know, 20 grand? 15? 10? 5? 6? 7? 8, 9, 9, 10, 9, 10, $10,000, 9 bid 10, 11, $11,000, no 10, 10, 11, 10, 11, $11,000, now 11, 10, 10, $11,000, 10 grand, $11,000, no 10, 5, now $11,000, 10, 5, 11 today, 10, 5 here, 11, 5, 11 and 5, 11 and 5, 11,500, 11 bid, 11 and 5 today, 5 where 5, 11 and 5, 2 and a half, now 5, 11, 5, $11,500, $11,250, 11 5 here, 5 about 11,750, 11,750, about 5 5 750, about 12, 12 about 12, 12 about equipment facts going to be 12,000, 12,250, 12,250, 12,250, 12 5 here, 5 about 12 5 on Toro going to be 5, $12,500, 750, about to get 12 7 about to get 7 about to get 7 13, about to get 13, about to get $13,000, 12 7 about to get 13 grand, about to get $13,000, now 13,250. $13,250 to an I not quite that easy. Hurry to an I $13,250 out of I'm in Ontario at $13,000. $13,250. Anybody else at $250 out of it is a loader tractor. It is a four-wheel drive at $13,250. But $250 out of it. If I get to an I get $250 now. I have $13,250 to buy. Mr. McCurdy, you're here today, aren't you? $13,200. I can't see you. $13,250 out of it. If I get $250 now. I have. So $13,000 you bought it. That's 175003. 175003 is going to be the buy. Number 1000 is going to be next here. This time we've got a little Bobcat CT 1025 loader tractor. You bet, thank you. I come on, got a little backhoe here, a little backhoe loader, and that is handy as they get. Little FL6 loader on him and runs and operates like she should. Of course, she comes with new warranty. All of that. Tractor's brand new. And go again. Somebody get 30. 30,000. 25,000. 20,000. 16, 17, 18, 19, 18, 19, 20, 19, 20, at 20, now $20,000, 19 been 20, a $19,000, now 20 grand, but if I get 20 grand, but if I get $19,500, a 19 been 5 here, 5, but if I get $500, now 5, about 2.5 and 5, 19.5, I got $250 to $500 to 5, where 5, but if I get 5, now 7.5, a 19,750, now 750, but if I get 5, but a 19,750, now 20, hit 20 grand, but if I get 20 grand over there, $20,000, 7.5, if I get 20, 19,7.5, if I get 20, little backhoe loader tractor there, 7.5, if I get 20, and if I get 20, now 20, now $20,000 on the bed, if I get 20 grand, but if I get 20, but if I get 20, and I have, once I need to be right at 23 on that thing to get her done, let me know. That tractor's brand new, 23 is a hold on that one. Now let's go to 1164. Again, you can buy that tractor yet today. Just let us know. 1164 coming up with my little John Deere HX15, 15-foot Batwing mower. Absolutely in the season right up here. Got the stump jumper and all, and a good unit. Somebody get 15,000, 15, 12, 10, 10 to buy, 5, 6, 7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, a 9, 10, 11 to buy, 11 to buy, 10, 5, 11, 11, 11 to 5, 11 to buy, 12, 12, if I get 5, now $13,000, at 12, 5, if I get 13, if I get $13,000, 12, 5, if I get 13, 7.5, now 13,000, 12, 7.5, and 13 grand a day, $13,000, 7.5, if I get 13 bid, 12, 7, day and $13,000 on the bottom straight away. 7.5 if I get 13 and I have sold 12,750. 406. 406 going to be the buy. Thank you, David. Now we're going to go to 1165. Nope, 1184 going to be next. I got a Toro little slit seater coming up here.
1183.
1183. Okay, 1183 is going to be the number then. We'll do that. 1183 is the number on the little hydraulic slit seater. That's how you say that. Come on, here. Yeah, come on, keep say that one real quick. 5, but if I get 5, 7, I but if I get $1,000, if I get 1,000 about 12.5, a 10, 10, 12, 15, $1,500, but if I get 17, 15, no 2, no 2, but if I get $2,000, no 22, but $2,000, $2,250, but if I get 250, but if I get $2 grand, $2,250, $2 grand, 21, and if I get 21, brand new little slit seater right over there. You can get your yard back in shape. $2 grand, $2,100, but if I get $2,100, but if I get $2,000, $2,100, those are high dollar little outfits. I've only got $2,000 brand new, $2,100, $2,100, $100 to bond about $2,100. You in Cheryl? You in Cheryl? $2 grand for him now. Boy, did you get one over there? Now tell. The 22 Cheryl. Now 2. Down 2, 2, now 2, now 2 Cheryl. You got to be $2,200. 21, 2, 2. Did you say it? $2,200 now 2. To bet if I get 21, 2 to buy. I'm behind you now. $2,100, $200 now I have sold $2,100. 84 is going to be the buyer. 84 is going to be the buyer. $13.35 coming up on my little Countyline Rototiller up next. $13.35 going to be the number on it. Okay, we do not have the half shaft for this. We do not have it. They said tiller's supposed to be all right. We do not have the half shaft. We think it's somewhere along I-465 somewhere. You're welcome to look. You're welcome to look if you like. We do not have the half shaft for that. No, I don't know where it's at. Okay, lot number 1335 coming up on it. Go. $500. Hit 5, 6, and 6, 7, 7. The button get $700. 6 here, $700. 6, 7, 7. On the button get $700. 6 here, $700. On the button get 6 and 7. The button get 7 and 7. The button get 6 7. The button get $600. $700. On the button get 7 and 5. 6 7. Cheryl's in. 6 and 7 7. 4 bidders are out. $700 last call. So $600 Cheryl your way. 4297 is going to be the buyer. 4297. Let's go to number 1099 now. They got a 1086 International. 2,800 hours on right up here. Absolute no reserve. And you got 540,000 PTO on this as well. Okay, it will not come out of high torque. We want you to know that. 1080 and 1099 is going to be the number on it. And 10,000. 10, 8 grand. What do got? 2,000, $3,000. 2, 2, 3. $3,000. 2, 3, $3,500. 4, 4. Get $4,500. Get $5,000. 45, 7. I have. Get 47. I have. Get $750. $4,500. 47, $50 to $5,000 to 5. How about you get 5,000? 48, 49. 48, 49 to 5. Get 51 and get $5,100 to bond, get 2, get 3, get 3 to buy 53 at 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, $5,500, 55, get 5,500, 54, 55, 55, 55 to buy $5,600 at get 5,607, 57, 58, 58, get 58, get $700, 8 about Jeremy's and 700, 8, 59, 59, 59, 59 now 999. You got to be 9 over there. 59 now $6,000, 59 6 and get 6 here to bond and get $6,100 to bond, get $6,100, $6,000 bid bond, $60 bond, $60 bond, $100 $100 bond, get $6,100 to bond to buy down to 62 2. Jeremy still in. I got $100 2 2 2 3. I'm about to get 3. Jeremy $6,300, 62 3 3. I'm about to get 3 3. I'm about to get 2 2 3. I'm about to get $6,300. I'm about to get 3.5. So $6,200. 18933 and 7. 18933 All right, Drake was telling me now this came right off of a tractor. So when we put it on the truck and we leveled it up there on the truck, it looked like it might be tweaked just a little bit, but we're not positive about that. Not positive, but we want to let you know we think it could be tweaked just a little bit, but we're not positive. So use your own judgment on that, and then we're going to have the forks separate and the bucket separate. So we're going to get you the loader, then we're going to say the forks and then the bucket, okay? So just buy the loader portion of it, minus the bucket and minus the forks. The first item up, it's going to be lot number 1255 is going to be the number on it. So somebody get 3,000, 2,000. $1,000 on just the loader. $1,000, $1,100, $1,200 bid, $1,300, $1,400, $1,500 bid, $1,600, $1,700, $1,800, $1,900, $2,000, $2,250, $2,500, $2,500, $2,500, $2,750 down 3, $3,250, $3,500, $3,500, $3,750 down 4, now $4,000, $4,250, $4,250 at 41 on 2, I'm going to get 2, 2, 3, I'm going to get $300, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, I'm up into $4,600, $4,700, $4,700, $4,600, 10, 7, 7, 7, I'm about to get $4,700, 47 to buy, 8, $4,809, $4,900, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, about to 5 now, bond, $5,100, 2, 52, 3, about to 53, 3, 3, 4, 4, about to 54, 4, about to get 55, 55, 5,600, and 700, $5,700, 56 here, $700, 57, 57, about to $5,700, 58, about to get 57, about to get up and down, 57, 58, about to get 58, about to get 58, about to get 8, so 5,700 your way. 691 is going to get it. Now let's do the forks real quick. 1122 48-inch forks. You put them on anything and go again. $1,000, $500. I'd better get 500 for the forks at $500. No, $5, $600. 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, $800, $900 on him and $1,000. No, $1,000 to buy 9 bid $1,000. No, $1,000 on the better get 900 to bond, better get $900, no $1,000. A 900 better get down 9, 9, hand had a better get $15,000, no $1,000 to buy out over there. 1,000 the I have. So 950 same way. 691, and now we've got the bucket. Number 12, 1126. 1126 on the bucket. And come on, here. Might be the same thing on the bucket. I don't know. Here, but 500, 600. It's 7, 8, 8, 8, $800, 700, 800, 900, $1,000, $1,100, $1,200, 13, 14, 14, 15, $1,500, $1,600, $1,700, $1,800, $1,800, $2,000, boy. $2,100, two, born, $2,100 to bond, sold $2,000, says to the bucket. $2,000, number 691. They all go together. And I'm going to move into number 1148 now in the case Agri King 1570 tractor up. It's not, no. Okay, now we're on 1148 up here at my case Agri King here. Oh, good old tractor, my friends. It's going to be a 1570 for 2,900 hours showing on it. It's absolute no reserve and a good old diesel tractor. Everybody come on, but to get $10,000. Come on up, Jeremy. $10,000 what do you got there? We got 2,000. That's all right. We can do it in the basement. 2,500. I can do it in the basement anytime. 25. $3,000. $3,500. $3,500. 35. 45. 55. $6,500. 55. $6,500. 55. 65. 75. 65. 75. Look at the rubber on that tractor. $6,500, $7,000. $6,500, $7,000. Out of $7,000, $7,500, $7,500, $775. $75. How about 72 and a half? Out of $72, $7,000, $7,250. Out of $250, $250. Out of $772 and a half. 72 Levi, you in? 7,000. Levi's in on the floor. $7,000. Internet bidders, you are out. $7,000. $7,250 out of $250 last call. I have sold $7,000. 420, 42 and 0 is going to be the buyer. We're going to cross the driveway here. We're going to move right on into my Kinze 2600. We're going to go up here to my Kinze 2600. Planter coming up here next, 12 to 30. She's absolute, no reserve here.
Sorry, I hit the wrong button.
We have the manuals and the monitor in our barn office for this, okay? 1052 is going to be here on this one. It's come from William Garst. He brought it in today, local farmer. Number 1052 is going to be the number. And let's go. Right, come on, $10, $5,000 out of $5,000 to $5,000, $2,000, $3,000, $2,300 out of $2,500 to $3,300, $5,500 now, $4,000, $4,400, $45,000, $45,000 and $5,000, $5,500, $55,000, $6,000, $6,500, $6 and $5,500 now, $7,000, $775 out of $75. $8,888, $1,000, $85, $85, $85, $9,000, $9,500, $95, 10, 10 today, no $10,000 to $10,500, what if I get 5 and 11, 10, 5, but if I get $11,000, 11, 5, 5 and 12, but if I get $12,000, 5, but if I get 13, $13,000, 5, but if I 5, $14,000 to 14, but the 14, but if I get $14,000, 13, 5, $14,000, $500, 14,005 and 5. 14 by 14,250 then. Levi, you want it for $250. Take a little short bite. 14,250. Internet's out 5. 14,005. Internet's out. 5. 14,005. Levi's claiming the bid on the floor. 14,500. 14,340. Oh, that $400 little bitty steps down. 3 4. 14 and 4. I get $300, but the $400 to $400 to 3 3 4. But if I get $400 now, have sold $14,300. Damn, I hate your way to bidder number 6, 9, and 5. 6, 9, and 5 is going to be the number. 1354 coming up on the little Rhino. It's going to be next. Is that a Rhino? Okay. They stole some John Deere paint, didn't they? They sure did, little rascals. Number 1354 coming up on the little Rhino 172 3-point rotary mower up here with the 540. And do it. $1,000, $1,000, $500, $600, $700, $800, $900 down, $1,000 double, $1,000 on the $1,011, the 10, 11, the 12, $1,000 down, $1,300, $1,400, $1,500, $1,600 bid, 15, 16, $1,700 on the $1,700 hands in, 16, 17, $1,700 now I have sold $1,600 your way, top. 527, 527. It's got to be the number. 1190 coming up next now. John Deere 5225 tractor. What are you gonna like this one? 4,614 hours shown on her. Got a 542 loader on it, 4-wheel drive here, and nice little tractor. All right, now let's go. What am I going to get here? Heat and AC equipped. 1190 going to the number on it. What am I going to get for? 30. I'm going to get $30,000. I'm going to get $25,000. 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A 19 and 20. A 20 to $21,000 to 2. $22,000 3. A 22.5 and 3. I'm going to get 22.5. I'm going to get 5. I got Levi at 22. Going to be 5. Dan, I get you in. 22.5 here. 5. He wants to be in. He's got to be 5. $22,500. A 22.5. Levi's in. 22.5. I'm going to get 22,000. Internet, you are out too. 22. I saw you flash, but you didn't make it in time. $22,500. A 22.5 here. I'm going to get $22,500 to 5. Where I'm going to get 5. 22.5. 22.5. 22.5. Good a bargain here. 22.5. I'm going to get 5. I'm going to get 5, and I have sold 22 grand here. Levi. 999. 999 is going to be the buyer. Thanks again. Moving on into the next one. It's going to be lot number 1089. Hit by Kinze. 3,500 planter. She's absolute. And again, no reserve on this one. An 815 planter. The monitor we got in the barn there for it as well. It's a KPM 2 monitor. Hard to find planter. 1089 is going to be the number on it. You'll like it. I love it. Come on. 40 and 40 and $40,000 on it. 20, 21, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25,000, 26,000, 27, and 27 grand. It's a party. All get in. 27, 28, about to get 28, about to get 29, 30, 29 and 30, 31, about to get 31, about to get 30, 31, about to get 2, about to get 3, about to get 4, about to get 5, and 35, 6, and 7, about to get 37. A long way to go. 38. About to get 37, 8, 39, about to get 38, 39, about to get 39, and 40 to 40 to 40 to 40 to $40,000. At 39 now, 40 bid. Dan's in at 39. I'll tell you what, if you want in for 5, we'll break it in half. I got 39 right over here. 39 and 5, $39,500. Out of to get 5, where about to get 39 and 5, about to get 5. Everybody in and done I have. So $39,000 going to get a buyer number. Put him on number 77. 77 to get him done. All right, everybody, I'm going to turn it over to my good friend, Mr. Jeremy Garber.